helicopter. Hello, internet. That was a nice intro. Thanks, helicopter. Ha ha ha. That guy was staring at me. Anyways, I have a new project, and today it's not going to be a D&D mini. I am making a set of Tiefling horns for me to wear, because I'll be doing a photo shoot with a very lovely makeup artist. I will share her information at the end of the video and in the description so that you can go find her, because she is amazing. Her name is Christy Reed, and I love her to death. I had to go to the store to get a headband so I can wear it. I was going to record on the way, but it's raining, so I'll see you in the store, and we're gonna buy some stuff. So, alright, ciao. Alright, made it. Oh my god. Dollar store lighting is garbage. Anyway. Craft wire stems. That should work. I also wouldn't mind having a glue gun. Ooh. Hello. Finally. Those are pretty. My hands are full. I need a basket. Oh man, this is a real shopping experience. Ooh. Gold flakes? I want that. Okay, I thought that said DIY bananas, and I was like, that doesn't look like a banana. It's time for ASMR Arts. Good. The selection of headbands here is astounding. I'm not sure why I expected anything else. Check it out, it's the Good Kush. This is the dollar store, how good can it be? You know, I'm actually pretty sure I have a glue gun at home. I just got excited to see it, so I'm gonna put it back, even though I put all that effort into getting it off the hook. Alright, I got my craft stuff and my pepperette. I'm happy. I went into the garage to get an extension cord, and there was like the biggest spider of my life. It was like this big. I'm not gonna show it to you because it was really big and freaky, and it was like right there. Anyways, when I came back inside to stop panicking, I saw that I actually have an extension cord in the house, so I don't have to go back out and get it. What I have to start is, I got some styrofoams from the spooky basement. As far as I know, there are no bugs on here. I also have these craft wire stems, and I bought this on Amazon. It is a hot wire polystyrene foam cutter kit. So the idea of having the hot wire knife is that it heats up super fast, and then it cuts it by just melting it. I can't find my hot glue gun, which is hilarious because when we were at the dollar store, I got a hot glue gun and then decided, no, it's fine. I'll be able to find mine, but I couldn't. I'm just gonna use standard white glue. Oh my god. I think it's working. And I'm gonna swap it out for this. I just want to see if this is actually gonna work better. So I did half with one, and I'll do the other half with this one and just see what happens. Okay, that is hot. Let's try this. I should have been doing that the whole time, because there's no strings on it. Ooh! Alright, we're gonna do it that way. Hello everyone, it is voiceover Nicole again. Listen to this amazing microphone! Anyway, what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be stacking the styrofoam that I've cut so that it's sort of like a solid piece. And then what I'm going to do after that is I will use the hot wire knife to like shave it
down into more of a horn shape. So the reason I did the discs is just because a square wasn't going to give me the shape that I wanted, but if I put it on a wire and sort of put it on like an angle and glued it together, that way it was already sort of in a blocky shape I wanted. I just have to, you know, cut off the edges and shave it down.
Weight those down with something and just let them dry. I guess I'm gonna see if I can cut them. I think this is like together. I'm just gonna go for it. I actually finished this one off camera just because it was taking forever. But you get the idea. Now we're back and we're doing something that I like to call fabric mache. Usually, like with paper mache, you sort of like make a glue papery mixture and then you can build stuff with that. What I'm doing here is I'm actually using a cut up piece of thin cloth and then I'm covering that in glue and then wrapping the horns with it. I decided to do this so that it would cover up any of the little gaps that were made by gluing the discs of styrofoam together. Plus it gives it like kind of a cool texture. they turned out pretty good. I also have a chain that's optional to put on it. I was going to show them to you on my head, but then I realized the mystery should be held until the photo shoot's there. We'll have like these like goldy looking chains on it. I think they turned out pretty good. So yeah, I hope that you liked that. If you did, leave a like. And if you want to see more, then subscribe. Okay, ciao. Bye.